The quantitative focus of the Masters of Quantitative Finance program at Rady has provided me with an invaluable toolkit to approach complex business challenges from multiple angles. The combination of rigorous coursework and real-world applications has allowed me to balance quantitative rigor with qualitative insights, preparing me to solve problems holistically. Whether it's in analyzing large data sets or building financial models, the hands-on nature of the program has equipped me with the practical skills needed for making high-level decisions. Learning from faculty members who bring extensive industry experience has been particularly impactful. Their expertise has helped bridge the gap between academic theory and practical application, giving me the confidence to approach market dynamics, risk management, and financial forecasting with a strategic mindset. This focus on data-driven decision-making and the use of tools like the Bloomberg Lab has prepared me to tackle the evolving demands of the financial industry. Whether in investment management, consulting, or any other financial role, I now feel confident leveraging quantitative data to inform strategic decisions, ultimately driving innovative solutions and business success. I've had the opportunity to apply the skills I've learned in the Master of Quantitative Finance program through both my Capstone project and my current internship at Allied Universal. The Capstone project gives students a real-world understanding of capital market dynamics and allows us to directly apply the financial modeling and data analysis techniques we developed in the classroom to a current industry trend. Collaborating with my group mates, we tackled complex data sets and provided actionable insights on how private credit is reshaping investment strategies. I'm currently interning at Allied Universal in the marketing department, where I've been able to use quantitative and analytical skills that I've developed in the Masters of Quantitative Finance program. In this role, I analyze large data sets to work to improve current processes with a focus on lead generation. This experience has enhanced my abilities to communicate metrics and make strategic recommendations based on data-driven insights. I've also honed my presentation skills, ensuring that I can effectively translate complex data into actionable business strategies. This internship has been an excellent complement to my coursework, reinforcing how quantitative finance skills can be applied in various functions beyond finance, such as marketing and operations. Both the Capstone project and my internship have given me valuable hands-on experience in applying financial theories and data analysis in real-world settings, which will undoubtedly help me in my future career.